Good evening, Venu Evi. Your interview is going to be on which date and in which place?
5th of November, 4th of November, sir, in Patna, Bihar.
Acha, acha. Patna, Bihar. Good. This is your second mock with me.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you please tell us about yourself?
Good evening, sir. My name is Achyut Venugopal, and I am from Darbhanga, Bihar. Uh, I have a small family consisting of four members. My father, who is going to retire soon in November only, he works as a teacher in a private school. My mother is a housewife, and I have an elder sister who is working as a BPSC primary school teacher, a
Mhm.
government teacher. My hobbies are playing football, singing, and along with that, I am passionate about photography. So I learned photography by myself only. Uh, I have done my studies from Lalit Narayan and Mithila University. Both my graduation and post graduation are done from the same university in
What is
physics.
post graduation physics? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's good.
Uh,
Yeah. Well, how many marks did you score in MSc?
7.69 CGPA.
Very good. Excellent. Um, Now, which year did you complete your MSc?
I completed my session was 1921, but due to Corona, the lockdown, it was delayed for 1 year, and I completed it in 2022.
Acha. So after that, what are the other examinations you have been writing?
I have been writing, sir, CSIR NET, CTET, and BPS State PCS.
Mhm. You have not been writing
No,
bank exams.
no, once I did write bank exams, but in SBI PO exam, but I got very less marks, so I didn't try again. And this is my second try for banking exams.
How did you succeed in this exam?
Sir, actually, when I was preparing for banking SBI Bank PO, I joined a group that is formed from local students. We call it Friends Group, and we used to study a lot of reasoning, data interpretations, and other things that were asked in banking exams. It helped me a lot. So
Excellent.
I did
Good.
that process makes helped me to clarify this written, and you helped me, sir, for the clearing the JD, sir.
Acha.
That solely goes to you.
That's right. That's correct. Now, regarding physics, do you know famous physicists from our country living now?
Sir, not like, I'm not aware of that, sir. Living, I'm not aware, but if you ask about from past, then I can read out few names.
Tell me.
Sir, Kanad, he was
Ah,
an ancient astrologer. He was the first to tell about the rotation of planets around the sun.
hmm.
And sir, there are few scientists that has Sir Somnath, who is also an ISRO chairman right now. His background is also physics, astrophysics.
Hmm. Good.
That's it,
Now,
sir.
can you tell me who are the people who have been awarded Nobel Prize recently
Sir,
for physics?
Sir, I know that they were awarded for machine learning and artificial intelligence. I am not recall. I'm unable to recall the name right now, sir. Sir, one
Which
of them
bank are
was
you? Which bank are you having account?
IDBI, sir.
Okay. So, what is special about IDBA?
Sir, actually, the LIC acquired 51% share of IDBI in 2019 because of its huge NPA. And from that onwards, IDBI is not performing well, but all over the systems are going well, they are providing some special features such as IDBI mobile app, which helps a lot for. And I didn't have to go to bank for anything, sir. I can create a loan, request my checks, debit cards, everything on the same platforms.
Instead of telling everything, it will be good if you tell the features, few more features. Please go through them,
Sir,
remember, and
sir,
then speak.
sir, I remember
Not,
some that we can
not
open
now,
an FD account.
not now. In next time when you go for a real interview, when you speak, you should not give vague words or ambiguous words. Instead, you must
Okay, sir.
convey definite information.
Okay, sir.
What is prompt corrective action?
The prompt corrective actions are these are regulations that some banks are into it, which uh, sir, I'm not able to recall. Uh,
As it is
Basically,
now,
sir, I
no,
have
now no bank is into it. IDBI was in prompt corrective action earlier. This is a step
yes,
taken by Reserve Bank of India to bring a bank which is in doldrums to bring it to normal level by
okay, sir.
making strict regulations like they cannot make any big advances, they cannot give any open any new branches, they cannot give promotions, they cannot give salary increases, like that. So many restrictions were laid, and that those things bank has been able to make use of, and it has come out of the crisis. Please go search in Google prompt corrective action and get to know about it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Now, how will you get me 125 CASA accounts within, say, 1 month or maximum 2 months?
Sir, firstly, I will approach some businesses that are running greatly in the area, such as TCS companies and all, so that they have various salary account which we can open with our bank. I will convey the benefits of our bank that will help them to uh, sorry, sir. I will convey the benefits of our bank to them so that they will be obliged and be able to understand that it's going to help them out. I will try to acquire some schools account, such as there is a franchisee in my area, that is Don Bosco and Saint Xavier's. So I would like to acquire such accounts because they has a higher number of employees, as well as their current account deals with a larger number of monetary funds. It will help
Now,
out, and the target will be completed
Venu,
within a month, sir. Yes, sir.
Venu,
Yes, sir.
what are the
Hello.
games you were playing when you were in school or college?
Sir, I used to play chess, carom, and football, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. I
Chess,
used to play.
carom,
I
and
was.
also football. Football also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Very nice. What are the advantages of playing football?
So it is very good for the physical health. The lower torso, the lower body develops very quickly, and it gives a lot of stamina. So when I was playing, I usually run around 6 kilometers in 2 minutes only. So that time my stamina was very good. It also keeps my breathing steady. So there was no breathing problem. I was very good at it. And because of that, I could hold my breath for approximately 1.30 minutes, 1.3 minutes, sorry, 1.5 minutes. Sir. It helped me a lot. Along with that, there is stress reducibility. Playing makes feel happy to us because many times by winning the shots, by playing and scoring goals for the team makes us happy. It helps us reduce the stress also.
Good. Supposing you are not able to put goals and the opposition party puts goal, it will increase your BP also.
No, sir. That's the game, sir. One will win and one will lose. It doesn't mean that the BP will increase, sir. But next time I will surely try to win out, sir.
What is your father's occupation?
He is a teacher in a private school.
Acha, good. Have you visited nearby Federal Bank branch?
Yes, sir. I have visited.
Which
Federal.
branch?
It has been Federal Bank Donar Chowk branch. It has recently opened.
Which
Six
branch? Which branch?
approximately
Federal Bank?
Donar 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 Chowk branch.
Acha, acha. It's a new branch. Is it so?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's been 6 months. It's been 6 months when they opened here. Before that, there was
Des-
no branches of Federal Bank in my area.
describe your visit to Federal Bank branch in 1 minute.
The so first of all, the entry was big. There was a security guard. And other inside there were three platforms. One for cashier, one for a bankman, and another for helping out people who are considering some explanations over different products of banks. And there was a cabin for manager and assistant manager. I saw six people working there, sir.
Good. What do you under? Did you talk to the manager to know about interview?
Sir, at the time when I visited the branch, the manager was not present in the branch. Assistant manager was present, and I talked to him that I am going to give out an interview. He said he uh, praised me, said all the best, and he told me to be confident and learn as much as possible about banking and federal banks.
Acha, good. So now, supposing there are no banks,
Yes, sir.
imagine that the banking system has not been invented so far. There are
Yes,
no
sir.
banks. So, what are the problems the people will face?
So the problem mostly I can think about is the business people will face a lot of problems because they have to uh, regulate a lot of monetary funds for their businesses, and it is on a daily basis. For like, there is a fish market in my area. I know the people that owns the fish market, so they usually do transactions in millions daily, and they need to pay out the uh, people from whom they are getting their products, the fishes that they are getting from, on a daily basis. So the first problem will lie to them that the transactions that they are doing to the people are not possible. Before Corona, there used to be a credit system that you can take up the products and give the money after selling it out. But after Corona, it's been stopped. And we need to get them an advance of 80% and latter pay out 20%. So it will be a problem. Savings
No,
will
no, no,
be
no.
more.
Your answer is not straight. You're telling something which you know. The question was about banks. You should have told me if there are no banks, but people cannot say keep their money safely. That is one
Yes,
point. And majority of transactions will take place, almost all transactions will take place only orally. And hence, the present system of, say, mobile banking, internet banking, then debit card, credit card, these things will not be there. And the
okay.
question of government regulating banks to give finance to selected sectors will also be not present. Our economy would not have grown to this extent. The growth in economy is mainly due to the efforts of banks and also due to the efforts of the entrepreneurs. Something like that you should speak.
Okay, okay, sir.
Please tell me about the digital products of Federal Bank.
Sir, There are loans, sir, housing loans, uh, car loans. Uh, then there are credit cards, different credit card, debit cards. One of them is very famous, which is recently launched, the Rupee credit card, Wave credit card, Smile Pay, which we can pay using a smiling face. It recognizes our face using artificial intelligence. Then there are uh, several accounts such as savings account, uh,
No, no,
a
no.
current account,
Those things cannot be told for digital
Okay, yes, sir.
digital products. You have to tell Fed mobile, then Fed book, then you can tell say Fed mobile next, NEFT, RTGS, anywhere banking, electronic clearing service, corporate Fed mobile, Fed remit, Fed trade, Fed corp, e maintenance, e fee, e collection, easy payments, Fed loan, Fed car loan, Fed home loan, Fed gold loan, SMS banking, missed call banking, FedD, video KYC, online demat account opening. All these are given in the folder given to you. Please mug it up. One thing I omitted
Okay.
was FedNet, that is Federal Bank's internet banking platform. Okay?
Hello, sir.
Federal Bank internet banking platform. Okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Please attend the interview with confidence. Send the questions. Many people are not sending the questions. At least Venu, I want you to send the questions because you are a good boy. You have been attending many of my classes. If I have
Yes, sir.
conducted
Yes, sir.
class, if I have conducted classes from September 10, nearly 2 months, you would have attended at least 30 classes. So I am really
Yes,
happy. Best wishes. I wish you
yes, sir.
success.
Thank you, sir.